Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification button that as soon as we upload another video, you'll be the first to know. Today we'll be doing our stewed snapper fish with okra and vegetable rice. So please watch and enjoy.
Our fish is already washed and dry. So we're gonna season our fish. Now we have Maggi season up fish seasoning. And here it is. We have some black pepper and we have some garlic powder. So we are gonna give this a mix. So we're going to give our fish a good seasoning. You see, we put some core in the fish so that our seasoning can get all in it. So you realize we didn't put any salt in here because this seasoning is already salty. And we don't want to get our fish too salty. We're gonna put this pepper in the oil to bring up the flavor. And we have 2 cloves of garlic. So now we're gonna get our fish right into this oil. Some turmeric just to give it a color, not a whole lot. We're gonna add a teaspoon of butter. some carrots and some green peas and beans. So now we're gonna leave it to cook for a while. Now this is all our seasoning for our stew fish. Here we have some bell pepper, some onions, some tomato, some thyme, garlic, pepper, and scallion. And over here we have okra. And as you can see, we have some fish flavored soup mix, which we are going to put in our gravy later on. And over here we have some carrot and pumpkin, which is cooked. This is going to help to make our gravy rich, thick, and nice. And we also have some coconut milk. So we're going to saute these a little bit, after which we will add our coconut milk. After which we're going to crush our pumpkin and carrot. We're going to just crush them together. And it's going to look like a paste. So this will make our gravy for our fish. So now we're going to add our coconut milk. And then, this is our paste, our carrot and our pumpkin. And this is our fish flavor. In the meantime, guys, you could add a little salt to taste. Oh, look at that. Oh, it smells so good. Beautiful. Look at this, guys. So now we're gonna add our fish. So now we're gonna cover and let it simmer. Look at this, guy. Mouth watering. Smells so good. Rich, nice, delicious stew fish. This is what we're talking about. And this is how you make stew fish with okra and vegetable rice.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification button that as soon as we upload another video, you'll be the first to know. Thanks for watching.